Hello everyone. So it has been a while, busy summer with camping, and at the end of June I closed my Etsy shop, and I've been busy since. I was offered to sell my Etsy items and items that I make for junk journaling by Johnny at Junk Journal Shop, and it's much more personal, it's much more fun. It's live on YouTube. So if you're interested, check Junk Journal Shop, and if you subscribe and hit the bell, you'll get notifications when I do have a sale on her YouTube channel. Lots of fun. This is my latest journal. It's called Shorebirds. The cover is Eco-Dyed Fall Folder by Rosemary Morris. It's 8 wide, 11.5 inches high, 1.25 inch spine, 4 signatures, for a total of 128 pages. I've used a variety of papers and some digitals for the journal kits, journaling cards, some fussy cut. Yeah. So I'll go through it here. And I mean, you know I'm going to hit that tripod and it's going to shake. I did a little bit of sewing. The images are from a book that I purchased this summer. So I pretty much took it apart and took all the shorebirds out of it to make the journal. I'm trying not to move the chair. It's hitting the tripod behind me. It's a CD here. There's some tea-dye paper. Here is a flashcard that says geese. In the middle of the signature, I have a couple of pockets. Here there's a little collage, some fussy cutting, that's that straw paper. The stamps that I've put in are shorebirds. And there's a journaling card. And a playing card from Audubon's Blue Winged Teal. There's your receipt. In here I've put some, they're field notes for those who want to keep note of their sightings of birds, the date, location, the time, the temperature, the habitat, vegetation, just general information. There's a few of those in there. In here are some more journaling cards. Here's a duplicate receipt from the Owl Drug from Vancouver, Victoria, BC. Here's a type of journaling ledger. And as usual, my journals have a lot of journaling space. There's a side pocket. Here is a school work from 1878, 6th grade. Look at the handwriting on that. And I chose this sheet because it has something here about geese. Here I printed on tracing paper, which I like to do a lot. And here, just in frame, there's a large journaling card in this pocket. The second signature. Oh God. I have to find another way to make videos. This is an envelope that I cut open, and it's from France with the French postage stamps. And here I made a pocket, and in here there's a few shares. This one is from the Pennsylvania Railroad Company, and this one is from the Standard Motels Inc. from California. I love these shorebirds. The Tern, T-E-R-N, very nice. Love them. Some music sheet. And that opens up. This is I found a folio after I sewed in my signatures. I found a folio that I missed to put in here, and that was in the pocket, and I just couldn't leave it, so I just attach it here with a clip as a journaling card. It's got a grumpy face. He's too cute. Canada Goose. Oh, sorry, that's not in there. So here's another flashcard with the IR for bird and some other journaling card. Here is an invoice dated 1930. Oh, I can't see. Can't see the year. I think it's 1910. It's from Portland, Maine. Some journaling cards. Some other extra journaling paper. Oh, trying not to move and I can't. There's a pocket. There's a check for the Bank of Lakeview in Lakeview, Oregon. This letter is from Ron to Melanie, dated 1965. Nice penmanship. He was in the United States Navy in California. I don't know how to say Vallejo. Dear Melanie, and here on the letterhead is beautiful. And also the handwriting. I have a few of these letters. I like the blue color of the ink. In here I have this long, slim glassine envelope, and I made a journaling stick to go in it. I won't take it out so long. Just a little bit of collage here. There's that turn. Here's a bag, some fussy cutting, and inside just some Santa Fe, I think Santa Fe treating plant, some type of journaling card. There's an invoice from 1939, another share. The third signature, oh my god, it's shaky. There's a side pocket with some receipts. Here's an invoice. I like the invoices when they have the letterhead and the picture of their building. This from Bangor, Maine. I love the black and white images of the birds. Some ledger paper. The middle of the signature. Here's a journaling card. Is that sticky there? I'll have to fix that. Here's a little glass. There's some extra labels, a whole bunch of labels to use inside in the journal. Here's a weekly time record that opens up. I made a little pocket, and there's some extra postage stamps of shorebirds. And here is some more journaling cards. Another duplicate receipt from the 1900s, early 1900s. And here's a large pocket with another journaling, some journaling paper. In this pocket, I have a paint chip. Oh my god. Paint chip, a little bit of fussy cut. Here are cut-offs from an agenda, and I made a little notepad for field notes and has the dates with a little eyelet. And the last signature, some ledger paper. And here, there's a pocket. The receipt. It's a beautiful loan. This receipt is 3 parts, and the third part is yellow, and in the middle it's like a tracing paper. It's really nice, different. Here are some plain cards. They're Midwest birds. And there's the egret, the swan, the loon. The middle of the signature. This is some, oh God, some Rosemary Morris eco dyed paper. Journaling cards. Here's some type of ledger paper, or accounting paper I should say. In here I put some, these are extras of all the journaling cards, because when I print on cardstock, I'll print 2 copies to make up for the whole sheet so it doesn't go to waste. And we all know what this is. I searched high and low for those. I was happy to find them. A little bit of fussy cut, a large journaling tag that slides in there. I sewed it to the page here, and I just did a little bit of collage at the end of the sewing. And we're coming to an end. And there we are. Here's a nameplate with shorebirds, and I covered up the prongs in the back there from the yeah, you know. And look at the back. Look at this eco dye. It's just gorgeous. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.